Hello, it's your favorite quarantine girlfriend here. Quarantine day 569, and we're still thriving in this bitch. But yeah, so today we're doing something a little special because I saw this look a while ago when they were doing their Guyliner music video. For anyone that doesn't know, this is Dorian Electra, the musical genius, the king of the queer experimental music community, along with names like Arca and Kim Petras and Sophie and yada yada yada. Okay, but anyway, I saw this look. It was so fucking cool. The whole video is just full of like sick ass looks. So I really wanted to try to pull this off. It's just the eyeliner that's just scaring me, but I'm gonna attempt to do the best I can and hopefully we pull it off. I already did my face. As you can see, I have foundation, concealer, contour, did my brows, put some powder on. So right now we're gonna do the eyeshadow, and then we'll get to the guyliner. I'm gonna be using this Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette, number 3. I got this from a friend, so yeah, I really like these nudes in this palette. They're super cute. We're gonna be using this, oh my gosh, this jet black color. I'll probably zoom in here. Yeah, jet black color. And then I'm thinking, because it's like blended out with a nudish color, like a reddish color on the brow bone. So maybe we'll use this like amethyst color right here. I don't know how to fucking say that. And maybe mix it with like the rose bronze glitter or shimmer. And yeah, we'll just go from there. Y'all know I just kind of do my eyeshadow and hope for the best. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so it's looking peachy keen. So now we're gonna do the eyeliner. Let's fucking go. I think what I'm just mainly concerned of is the bolder part, but I think once that's out of the way, there's less room for error because it's kind of already like messy, but it's like, you know, like neatly messy. Wow, I actually did okay, I think. I'm gonna do the other eye because this was kind of fun. I'm gonna see if I can get them symmetrical. I'm just gonna add some black eyeshadow to my bottom lid. I should have done that first, but it's okay. So let's just see what we can do here. Let's wait for this to dry.
Cause there's a far love from who I am and who I wanna be. Based on what I find when I look within. Honestly, feels like I'm waiting to die. Once the days pass by, what's it mean to be alive? Killing time, go to bed with the sunrise. I got this feeling.
That's looking mighty cute. I'm excited. Ugh, I wish I could like, I wish my hair was green. That would be really cute. And I wish I had that cute choker, but it's okay. This is still gonna be a really cute, like, gothic eyeliner look. All right, so now we're gonna attempt the other eye. Godspeed. Okay, so this looks really fucking cool. I'm super excited. It's not perfect, but who's fucking perfect? Nobody. So yeah, it's okay. I'm fucking so stoked. This was actually like, I thought I was gonna get super annoyed and like frustrated, but this was like really fun to do. So yeah, I'm like really stoked right now. So next I think is to add a little bit of blush, some fake freckles, and then they have this like nude lip. So I'm gonna try to match that. Oof, this actually might be the color we're looking for. I have so many lipsticks now, thanks to one of my good friends and coworker. And then we gotta draw the little mustache. We'll do that last. We have to draw the mustache. It's like a staple. See if we can do this mustache. I doubt it. Oh my god, this might be the breaking point for me. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. Fuck that. Ooh, she's looking snatched. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is like the only neon I own, so I'm just gonna wear this. I have a whole fit on, so I'm gonna take some pics. Honestly, the mustache was like 10 times harder to do than the actual eyeliner, which is dumb. But I had a lot of fun with this. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry I didn't talk so much throughout this video, but I wanted to be focused, and it really paid off. So thank you guys again for hanging out with me. Stay safe once again. Happy quarantine, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.